Hi, thanks for checking out our channel. This is going to be a how to repair video on a Gallagher M360. It's one of the newer models. Now, I've only been inside of one of these type of units of this case design like twice in the last 5 years, 3 to 5 years. So, but if you got one of these things, we're gonna be happy to take a look at it for you. Warranty or non warranty, we can do both. We're set through Gallagher to do warranty work. If someone ever does have a warranty repair, then we can do it. Well, the note says, please repair as doesn't work. They, I think it's out of warranty, but based on their serial number, it's early 19 model, 2019 of the 12th week, but Gallagher came out 3-year warranty in January of 2018. So this is, while it's not water damage or full of bugs, we can do warranty work on this. So this shouldn't technically cost the customer any money, but we'll see once we get inside on what's actually wrong with it. These are UL listed units, so they have these stupid screws in them, specialty screws. This also might be a 2-part video because I don't know if I got the parts stock to fix this thing. Because, like I said, they don't come in for repair that often. Looks like the fuse might be blown. Let's plug it in just to see what it does. No, it doesn't do anything. Let's check this fuse. Looks a little sketchy, but it's got a really thick filament in there. It must be one of the slow blow time delay fuses, not just a standard fuse. Well, test continuity to make sure it's good or bad. Fuse is bad. Put a new fuse in there first. See what kind of fuse this is. See if it has a number on it. It's a 1/2 amp fuse. Alright, I gotta find a 1/2 amp fuse. Alright, that's a. Luckily, I have some here. 1/2 amp fuse, because there's a bunch of fuses that are this physical size. Now, they're not the long ones. There's 2 different size fuses that are pretty common. The long ones like this, and these short ones. Some brands use the long ones, some brands use small ones, and some use both, depending on the model. But the 1/2 amp, so it's kind of an oddball size. Not very many people use the 1/2 amp. Let's plug it in and see what it does. We'll focus in on the fuse and see if it pops when I turn the power strip on. Yep. All right. So something wrong with the board. Well, and I don't think I've got a board for this thing. So. We're going to have to send this board back to Gallagher for a warranty claim. We'll give them the serial number. I don't need the receipt because the serial number is new enough that I don't need a receipt. As long as I send them the board with the serial number, I can get a free board out of the thing for it. And so the customers, I'll call and let them know, say, hey, this is under warranty, not going to cost you anything. So we'll fix this at no charge for them. We'll do all the work and we'll pay the shipping back to the customer, or going back. So the customer had their initial shipping to get it here, but sending it back to them is not going to cost them a penny. So these are pretty small. You can get them in a medium flat rate box, or even probably smaller box than that, maybe, for less than $15. So we're going to take this board out of here. See if we can see anything on the back side of the board that might have caused it to go bad. Specialty little clips on the capacitor that plug on the board. You got to squeeze it and pull. Well, it's got them on the transformer too. The M560 and M800, new ones anyways, new Gallaghers, look very similar to this one. Man, look at all the crap on that board. A lot of stuff. Look, the front thing, there ain't much to it there. Looks pretty plain Jane, basic. And then boom, there's all the, where all the magic happens, I guess, is back there. It's also got this glaze on the board, like a conformal coating that Gallagher puts on their boards, their new boards anyways. Kind of see it has a shimmer to it. That's to kind of help with corrosion and protecting the boards and stuff like that. But man, it's pretty sophisticated stuff on these boards. And there's the front side. It's got a conformal coating to it as well. You can kind of see the shimmer to it there. But I don't see anything really burnt up bad. I mean, unless that little fuse goes right across there. I mean, who knows? There could be something shorted over here. Looking at it, nothing looks bad, but looks can be deceiving. Something causing the fuse to blow. Well, we'll warranty this out. We'll fix the unit, the new board, and then we'll call it good. So we'll do a two-part video on this, and the second part will probably be a week or two before the parts show back up. So then we'll finish the video at that time. So we'll make a two-part video out of this, so stay tuned. So in the meantime, if you got a fence charger of any brand needs to be worked on, you're welcome to send it here. Take a look at it for you. We work on all brands and all ages of electric fence box. I don't care what it is and how old it is. We'll take a look at it for you. So until next time, bye-bye.